Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you a editor tutorial guide. So first, obviously, we're going to go to Geometry Dash. Then we're going to go back from the level that you were playing, back. In my case, you can go to whatever, you can make a new level, you can go to your level that you want to make, or in my case, I'm going to go to new. Name it whatever you want, put whatever description. And here we go. So this tab is like all of the blocks that you can use. There's like almost an endless amount. So much. And we're gonna go here. This is actually the like lined blocks without like the full thing. If you wanna see what I mean. So if we like go like right here, instead of this, you can make it like just a white outline. Instead of like boom, you can make it, you can like rotate it anyway. This is the rotate, which is like, you can rotate any. This tab is the slopes. You can do slope, which makes you just bounce. Like, just like that. And then we're gonna go, okay, next is the hazards. So we have the spike, like normal spike, medium spike, small spike, and tiny spike. Then we have like different decoration ones and stuff. This is really cool. And then we have bushes, I call them. We can place lots of them. And there's also different types of spikes, also medium ones, small ones, all that. And then here's the invisible spikes. Well, they're not invisible, but you can go through them. And same as these and these. Now, over here we have like the slopes, and with the blocks. With this one, you can like make lines, and with this one, you can just make the slopes like different. And then there's like all different types of these ones. And then we're gonna go over here, like helpful blocks. Now this section consists of pads, all those, orbs, all those, and portals. It's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna cut. And these are all of the portals right here. Next we have the speeds. This is 0.5, normal, 2x, 3x. I'm gonna move that a little bit. We'll get to this part later. And 4x. And then we have checkpoints, mostly used for platform levels. You can place these anywhere you'd like. And yeah, these are the texts. You can go over to over here to edit object, and then then go to text over here, and then type whatever you want. I'm just gonna say sub to sub, which you should do. Like and subscribe. And this is the D blocks, which allows wave to slide on it. This is the J block, which makes it where whenever you hit an orb that goes down, it makes it where you can't jump for like a split second. This makes it where you stop dash, and the H block makes it where you can hit your head. And this is the force block. It forces you a certain direction. So you can make these go up this way, and it'll make you go that way. And then we have another force block. And then we have the F block, which makes it, whenever you touch it, it makes it change your gravity. Now let's go ahead and go to this tab, the little monster tab. And there's all different kinds of monsters, like this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. And there's all different types of hazards here too. And here we have decoration. Use it however you like. Over here we have like coins, really important. Keys, really important. Like whenever you want to unlock something, you can use this over here to like make it. And then hearts. These are also decoration too. All of these. And there's also numbers. And we're gonna just put these 2 numbers for the thumbnail because it makes me popular for some reason. Then we go over to here, which gives it a lot of different shapes and stuff. It has the demon faces like this one. It even has the extreme demon face right there. If I can zoom in on it, pretty good, because it's really small. See it right there. Okay, we're gonna go back and we're gonna go to this one. This is like invisible, like non-touch things. So we have chains, small ones too. And we have the invisible bushes and a lot of different things. We have the rainbow objects, which are really cool. It's a great decoration. And over here, we have these saw blades, all different types, which get significantly smaller by each one. And then over here, we have the triggers, which is a start position, move triggers, color triggers, stop triggers, alpha triggers, which are really useful, follow triggers, scale triggers, rotate triggers, spawn triggers, and toggle triggers, and shake triggers. And there's lots of different types of ones that you can see. Now the last one over here is a create button, or like a save button. So what you do, deselect, go to whatever, and I'm gonna choose this object over, gotta click at it, and I'm gonna go for the rotate trigger right here. And then we're gonna go back to build. We're gonna click the plus, and now it's added here. Now I can just say I'm building like a good level, I place a lot of blocks, and I'm like, oh wait, I need to use a rotate trigger. And just go to the C instead of like scrolling, and then I can go boom, just like that. Let's move on to the edit tab. Okay, now this is really cool. So we're gonna scroll, I'm gonna scroll down here. And this is really useful because look, we take a block, and these things right here, you can go select that block, and these things right here, are like super useful for moving it. You can always boom, 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 just like that. Or you can move it a block down, forward, sideways. And 5 blocks up, down, sideways. And then we have like the small ones, like it goes down really, 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 really slow. And then we have these ones. These ones acts as it moves half a block. As you can see, the line is right here. And if we click up, now it's directly in the half. And this one does nothing with the block. It actually makes. And then this makes like the shading go up and down. And then this just rotates the object, which is really cool. So if, for example, we go for a spike, we can go down here and we can rotate it by clicking this button. Just like that. Really cool. And then we have this, which we can move it 45 degrees. 45 degrees other way. And then free, which we can just move it like this. And then snap, which, yeah, it's really cool. And then scale, we can make it huge. or we can make it small. In other scale, we can make it tall, or we can make it short. In the warp, we can make it as literally like as big as we want. So if we go deselect, look at it now. Look at that, it's so small. Then we go to delete. Delete, how to use it. You go over here, say we want to delete these two things. Go to edit, scroll like this, boom. Go to delete and click the little trash can. Delete all start pauses will mean if you place these start positions, you can go over here, click trash all start pauses, and then it'll trash all start positions. Really cool. And these buttons, I have no idea what they do. You're gonna have to figure that out. I'm so sorry. But this button is like the most important of all. Oh, see, take your eyes over here, and then look. This button means you can move around, but if you click it, now you can't. And this rotate trigger, if you play something, you're gonna have to manually go down here, go over, then click this. But say you want it to be tilted to the side a little bit. In that case, you're gonna need to use the rotate. Tilt it a little bit sideways. And then the snap means you can grab an object, and then, yeah, it'll just snap like in place. You see these little squares? They'll like snap in place right there in the squares. And if we go over here, we have the copy, which you can just select something, click copy. Then over here, we can go over here. Then we click paste, which pastes it. Then we can just go over here, deselect everything, go over here, scroll. Then we can just click copy and paste, which will copy and paste it. You can click it a bunch of times, which will just put it in the same exact area. Really cool. And then over here, edit special, you can specially edit something. And it has to be something specific. Edit group, you can put it to a group. What you should do is go to next free, and then click add, and then make it to whatever like trigger you want. Edit object is like you just edit the object, which is cool. Copy values is like shows you the value of copying. Copy paste, but paste state is to show you like how to paste something, and paste color is to show you what color it is after you paste. And then this can just, whatever object you select, you can change the exact color of it. And yeah. Go to layer is you can place literally an object right there. Click go to layer. Well, no, you can place like an object like up here. Scroll down, then click go to layer. And like you click go to layer, it will bring you to that layer. In deselect, we've talked about this. You select something, boom, deselect, it deselects it, obviously. And this button, trash, is literally just this button all over again. And then this button, you can like remake your decisions or re-put your decisions. And this means you can play the song. This means you can play test your level. And this means right here, means you can zoom in. And this one means that you can zoom out. And that is going to be it for today. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and see ya.